Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and PC so the downgrade can proceed smoothly. First, back up everything because unlocking erases user data. That protects you if something goes wrong. Next, enable developer options, toggle OEM unlocking and USB debugging so the bootloader can be unlocked. This is mandatory. Then install ADB and fastboot on your computer and connect the Pixel, verifying with a DB devices. Once done, you're ready to unlock the bootloader and flash the older factory images. You now perform the core downgrade by flashing the factory image you downloaded. Make sure the image exactly matches the Pixel 6a codename and desired build. Mismatches cause failures. Boot the phone into fastboot mode, unlock the bootloader if not already done with fastboot flashing unlock, and then run the provided flashall script from the image package. Watch the terminal for errors. The script overwrites partitions. If it stops, do not reboot. Address the error and rerun flashing to avoid partial installs. After flashing completes, you relock the bootloader if you want a secure state. Use fastboot flashing lock and confirm, but note this can prevent future modified images. Reboot into the system, go through initial setup, and restore your backups. Verify build number in settings to ensure downgrade succeeded. If the phone enters a boot loop or apps crash, try reflashing the same factory image, perform a factory reset from recovery, or unlock and reflash. These steps resolve most failures and restore a clean system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.